Matt and Lynette with Ray City Marine. Thanks for coming to our rollout of our construction project. We just closed our construction loan last week and we're getting ready to break ground here in the next couple weeks. Wanted to give you guys a look at what was going on. We're really excited, as you can imagine. We've got a huge plan here. We've got almost 11 acres that we're going to develop into a boat dealership and boat storage facility. Lynette and I are just so excited. What do you think, Lynette?
I feel so blessed and so grateful. We started the journey in 2008 with just my husband, a bag of tools, and a lot of prayer. And here we are 11 years later. We've been renting the whole time and we found our property and we're just so grateful and we feel so blessed and we want to take you on the journey with us.
So enjoy the little video footage around the land. The guys have done a great job doing a video for us. So you'll see it from above. You'll see how close we are to the lake. We're 1 mile down the road from 2 different boat ramps and we're 1 mile from our old location.
Show the